Have you ever struggled in the night to sleep thinking about your trading portfolio? Have you ever entered into a trade where you risk too much and every single moment you're only thinking about the trade, whether it's going in profit or whether it's going in a loss? Trust me, you are not alone. When I started trading, I had a lot of sleepless nights. I would be physically with my family, but mentally I would be thinking only about the trade. I actually started spoiling my family life. I was not enjoying it anymore because every time I was only thinking about the trade, what's happening on that, whether I'm in profit, whether I'm in loss, because I would risk too much. Then one fine day, I asked myself a question. Can I really control the outcome of the trade that I have entered into? The answer is no. Then why should I worry about it? Then I asked the next question. Can I control the risk on every single trade? The answer was yes. Then I said, let's think about it. Then I asked another question. Can I control which trade to enter into and which trade to skip? The answer was yes. So then I thought, let's think about that. And when I started thinking like this, I realized that it's very, very important for a trader and an investor to be relaxed when they are entering into a position. Today, I will share you some very, very powerful tips on how to relax while trading and while you are outside trading. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe, and welcome to this video. I hope you all are doing great. Remember, every single point that I'm going to tell in this video is very, very important as a trader and as an investor so that you can be relaxed when you're entering into a position and even after you have entered a position. What are the things that you can do while trading? Point number one, plan your trade, plan your entries and plan your exit and stick to the plan. That's it. Once you have made your plan, then stick to the plan and do not trade outside your plan. Very, very simple. Point number two, if you have a capacity to risk 2% in a trade, then start with one tenth of it. That is 0.20%. So it will take you 10 trades to reach 2%. Very, very simple. When you're risking very less, you will not be worried at all whether the outcome is positive or negative. So the third point is don't worry about the outcome. Just think about the process and follow the process. Fourth point, we all are human beings. So we will tend to do mistakes. Even after the first three steps, we will still do mistake. If you do a mistake because you're a human being, don't worry about it. Just say let it go. Don't let one mistake get converted into a catastrophe, into a big, 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 big mistake. Let it just go away. Stay calm. Just say, I did one mistake. I'm going to take one step back and continue with my strategy. Simple. Point number five, limit your screen time. Keep alarms so that you will not spend too much time in front of the charts. You know, in the morning, I will look at the charts for 5 to 10 minutes. In the afternoon, I look at the charts for 5 to 10 minutes. In the evening, I look at the charts for 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it for the day. So you have to reduce your screen time. This way, you will have time for all other activities. While trading, learn to visualize. You have to use your mind and visualize. When I have entered this trade, how will it look when it reaches profit? How will the movement be? You have to learn to visualize because that will help you to stay calm and positive. The last point is journaling. Every time you enter a trade as per your strategy, look at the chart and note down your observations. And then, when a trade hits the stop loss, go back to the journal and check what were your observations and try to learn from your observations and, if required, tweak a little bit in your trading system. I'm not telling you to hop strategies. I'm just telling you tweak a little bit because the markets are dynamic. It always keeps changing. So as per the market conditions, if you have to tweak a little bit in your strategy, do it. And you will see better results in your trading. I have created a video on journaling. I have put the link in the description. If you're interested to learn journaling in a better way, that video will surely help. So these were some of the points that you should consider while you are entering into a trade and when you are sitting in front of the screen. Now, when you're away from the screen, what should you do to keep yourself relaxed? That is equally important. Number one, have a routine in your life. Wake up on time, look at the charts on your time, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, have time for your exercising, have time for your meals, and go to sleep on time. If you have a routine, it will help you to keep your mind and body stable. Point number two, you must take good care of your body. And to take good care of your body, number one is exercise. Make sure you exercise every day for minimum 30 minutes, or if you can, do up to 1 hour. Do a lot of walking and stretching. That will really help you. The second thing about your health is what you eat. So eat good food, avoid junk foods, avoid all these soft drinks, drink a lot of water, eat clean food, vegetables, fruits, protein. It will really help you to keep your body fit. So it's very, very important that you eat good food and you eat it on time. The next important thing is meditation. Spend 10 to 15 minutes meditating with yourself. That 15 minutes, don't talk to anybody, close your eyes and focus. Gradually, you will start visualizing a lot of things that will really help you to become a better trader. So meditation help you to focus. Create a support system, a community. Now, you cannot create a community, that's fine. Join a community. That will also help you. For example, I have created a community of traders and investors where we discuss about trades, where we discuss about stocks, and we teach new entrants what trading and investing is all about. If you're interested in it, the link is there in the description. That will surely help. So joining a community helps every single trader and investor. I know it's very uncomforting talking to your family members or to your friends that you lost a trade, you're losing money in trading. But in the community, the people are with common interest. They understand what trading and investing is. They will guide you and help you. So it makes a lot of difference. Another important thing is having some hobbies like reading, writing, drawing, going for walks, meeting people. What happens is when you do this, you forget the outside world, you forget everything about trading, and you're focused on your hobby. This also helps you to stay relaxed. So these are some of the things that you can do outside your trading world to keep your body calm and relaxed. I hope that this video has made it clear that why it is very, very important to remain calm and relaxed while you're trading. Believe me, having a relaxed mind is the best friend a trader can have while entering into a trade or an investment. If you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who would like to learn these small, small things about trading and investing. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading and investing career. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. This really motivates me that so many people are watching and subscribing my videos, and it motivates me to make more and more videos for all of you. That's all, friends, in this video. Thank you. Namaskar.